Hello, good afternoon. This is Shane Farrick from ProCool Engineering. Next drawing again. Contact me for all your HVAC, air quality, plumbing, fire system designs. We also do the work and supply. This is a HVAC VRF design system. It's condenser here, which is 96,000 BDUs. Sorry, 120,000 BDUs. And here I have my cassette evaporator here, 24,000 BDUs. High wall, these are my branch pipes here. All these are joint rivet. Right, so you see I have my copper pipes with my branch pipe with my insulations and stuff over it. Yep. I got 4 high walls, so 5 high walls here on one cassette. That's the mezzanine floor. This is upstairs. Yep. This is what we're using here. Mech 1. This is the downstairs. Here I have 2 VRF condensers. Right, my branch pipe and stuff connected to it. My all equalizing line right here. Right, branch pipes, high wall. As we know, all my units actually would be monitored by internet, any smart device. I could pull it up, phone, tablet, whatever, get sensor reading, data readings, full compressor speed, pulse position, fan speed, everything from my system by remote monitoring. Here we see I have some high walls and stuff, some 12s, high wall in the 218 in the technical department, room 2. Here the kitchen, I have an X12, 1000 BTU equipment. Yep, and that's how our drawing look. ProCool Engineering, this drawing here is in 2D. That's what we do here in ProCool Engineering. Have a nice day. Ciao.